First of all, open layer and click here to pick solid color. You can choose any color from here. And click white layer mask and press Ctrl I for invert. Go to brush tool and foreground cloud should be white, and then flow 100% and opacity 100%. Soft brush tool and simply drag over it. When finished, click here and multiply, then right click on first layer and blending option, then drag it with press Alt. Okay, then you can change opacity, decrease or increase according to your choice. You can change color from here as you like. If you want to try it, then follow the instruction. Thank you.